Hi everyone. Today we discuss Woodman-Hoffmann selection rules for cycloaddition reactions or FMO method. In cycloaddition, usually two or more than two independent pi partners are participants. One partner acts as electron donor and other partner acts as electron acceptor. But both HOMO and LUMO are frontier molecular orbitals considered for a prediction of conditions. Select HOMO and LUMO level partners from ground state under thermal condition. Select either HOMO or LUMO for one partner from first excited state, for other partner from the ground state under photochemical condition, that is H nu. Example, if for the first order partner HOMO selected from the first excited state, select LUMO for the second partner from ground state, vice versa. Bonding interaction of HOMO-LUMO levels allowed under given conditions, anti-bonding interactions forbidden under given conditions. In cycloaddition, acceptor acts as LUMO and donor acts as HOMO. The two independent partners HOMO and LUMO both are thermally allowed in ground state level, but in the first excited state, one from the ground state and another from the excited state. Bonding and anti-bonding interactions shows diagrammatically. Bonding interaction diagram: superficial, bonding interaction, superficial, anti-bonding interaction, superficial, anti-bonding interaction, superficial, bonding interaction, interfacial. So these type of diagrams are possible for the bonding and anti-bonding interactions in the cycloaddition reactions. So this diagram is not possible for the cycloaddition reaction. Now we are taking 4n electron system for the cycloaddition reaction. Example is dimerization of ethene. It is 2 plus 2 cycloaddition. We are taking 2 moles of ethene converting to cyclobutane. 2 pi electrons in one ene and 2 pi electrons in another ene. First ene is A, second ene is B. For the thermal condition, first we have to select HOMO-LUMO for the partners from the ground state level for the thermal condition. Selected HOMO for A partner or reactant. Ground state configuration, it has 2 pi electron, so that's why we are writing psi1 to psi2 0, where this molecular orbital is HOMO. Selected LUMO for the second partner, that is B partner. It is also having 2 pi electrons, so therefore we are writing ground state configuration psi1 to psi2 0, where psi2 0 is LUMO. So these are the frontier molecular orbitals, HOMO and LUMO for the ene molecules in thermal conditions. So now we are writing the 2 plus 2 cycloadditions for the different configurations such as S and S configuration, SA configuration, and AS configuration, AA configuration. First configuration is 2 pi supra plus 2 pi supra cycloaddition. Now we are taking psi1. Psi1 molecular orbital is represented by 2 positive signs on same side, 2 negative signs on the other side. Psi1 molecule orbital is represented as plus plus minus minus, and psi2 is plus minus minus plus. Opposite signs are indicated in the psi2 molecular orbital. The interactions plus minus, the interaction between the opposite sign indicates anti-bonding interaction, therefore thermally forbidden because of anti-bonding interaction. But in the supra-antara cycloaddition, bonding interactions are developed, therefore it is thermally allowed. But in the third case, antara supra cycloaddition, in this case bonding interaction, the interaction develops between either negative signs or positive signs. It is psi1 molecular orbital, it is psi2 molecular orbital. One is HOMO molecular orbital, second one is LUMO molecular orbital. So bonding interactions developed, so that's why it is thermally allowed. Antara supra cycloaddition is bonding interaction, therefore it is thermally allowed. But in the fourth case, antara cycloaddition. Antara means opposite lobes involved in sigma bond formation. Antara anti-bonding interaction is developed, therefore thermally forbidden. Now, in the photochemical condition, first we have to select HOMO level from the first excited state of the A partner. Configuration is Psi11, Psi21. We have total 2 electron, 1 electron in Psi1 orbital, second electron in Psi2 orbital. So right now the HOMO is Psi2. But now we are selecting LUMO level from the ground state of the B partner. It is also having 2 electrons. The 2 electrons present in Psi1 molecular orbital. Psi2 is empty. Therefore, LUMO is Psi2. So in same, we are writing 4 configuration: suprafacial cycloaddition, suprafacial antarafacial cycloaddition, antarafacial and suprafacial cycloaddition, and antara cycloaddition. Same as it is we are writing Psi2, both are Psi2 molecular orbital. HOMO is Psi2, LUMO is Psi2. The interaction is developed in either positive direction or negative direction. Therefore, it is bonding interaction. Therefore, it is photochemically allowed because we are discussing photochemical condition. Photochemically, it is allowed because of bonding interaction is developed between the lobes. In the second case, suprafacial antarafacial cycloaddition, where the anti-bonding interaction is developed because of photochemically forbidden. One is bonding interaction and another is anti-bonding interaction. In third case, antarafacial and suprafacial cycloaddition. In this case also, we have anti-bonding interaction, therefore photochemically forbidden. In fourth case, antarafacial cycloaddition. The interactions developed in the same sign, so therefore it is bonding interaction. So finally, it is also photochemically allowed. Now we are concluding for any 4n pi electron system for the cycloaddition, photochemically supra and antara are allowed. For the 4n system, supra antara photochemically allowed, thermally forbidden. Now the second case, for the cycloaddition reaction 4n plus 2 system. For example, 1,3-butadiene reacts with ethene, where 1,3-butadiene is diene and ethene is dienophile. It results cyclohexene. 2 new sigma bonds are developed in this reaction. Now we are explaining thermal condition is same as 4n system. We have to select first HOMO and LUMO from the ground state only. HOMO for the ground state configuration for the diene molecule Psi12, Psi22, Psi30, Psi40. Diene having 4 pi electrons, therefore 2 electrons present in Psi1 molecular orbital, another 2 electrons present in the Psi2 molecular orbital, where Psi2 is the HOMO for the diene. And similarly, we can write LUMO for the dienophile. It has only 2 electrons. These 2 electrons present in Psi1 molecular orbital, that is Psi1 to Psi20, where Psi2 is LUMO for the dienophile of the above reaction. Now, similarly, we are writing the 4 cases. 4 plus 2 cycloaddition, supra cycloaddition, supra-antara cycloaddition, antara-supra cycloaddition, antara cycloaddition, where Psi2 orbital is HOMO for the diene and Psi2 orbital for the dienophile. HOMO and LUMO. Psi2 plus minus plus minus for the dienophile. So now the bonding interaction developed between the HOMO and LUMO, so therefore it is thermally allowed. It is 4 plus 2 cycloaddition for the supra configuration. 4 plus 2 cycloaddition for the supra-antara configuration. Same, Psi2 molecular orbital, Psi2 molecular orbital. HOMO and LUMO, frontier molecular orbital. An interaction develops between negative and positive sign. that is anti-bonding interaction, therefore thermally forbidden. In the third case, anti-bonding interaction developed in the 4+2 cycloaddition, that is antara and suprafacial configuration, it is also thermally forbidden. The last case is antara configuration for the 4+2 cycloaddition. Bonding interactions are developed as a two new sigma bonds will be formed, therefore photochemically allowed. And we can explain the photochemical conditions for the 4+2 system. First we have to select HOMO from the first excited state for the diene. Diene first excited state configuration Psi12, Psi21, Psi31, Psi40. Now we are writing Psi3. HOMO is Psi3. Now we have to select LUMO for the ground state configuration of the dienophile in the above reaction. Dienophile ground state configuration is same as Psi12, Psi20. HOMO is Psi3 and LUMO is Psi2 for the above reaction. So in photochemical conditions also we have 4 cases. 4+2 cycloaddition for the suprafacial anti-bonding interaction is developed. Psi3 is HOMO. Psi3 molecular orbital is represented by plus, minus, minus, plus. Psi2 is LUMO for the dienophile, plus, minus. So here anti-bonding interaction is developed for the suprafacial. So photochemically forbidden. But in the 4+2 cycloaddition of suprafacial and parafacial, where the bonding interaction is developed for the suprafacial. So that's why it is photochemically allowed. In the third case, 4+2 cycloaddition of antarafacial and suprafacial, bonding interaction is developed for the antarafacial. So therefore it is photochemically allowed. In the fourth case also, antarafacial anti-bonding interaction is developed for the antarafacial. So that's why it is photochemically forbidden. Now we are concluding for the 4n+2 system. SS, supra, antara are thermally allowed, photochemically forbidden. But supra, antara, supra are photochemically allowed, thermally forbidden. So finally, we can write for the 4n system and 4n+2 systems of the cycloaddition reaction allowed and forbidden. First case, if the compound having 4n electron system, the suprafacial, antarafacial, photochemically allowed, thermally forbidden. But in the same case, antara, suprafacial configurations in thermal conditions allowed, photochemically forbidden. If we coming to 4n+2 system, suprafacial, antarafacial, thermally allowed, photochemically forbidden. And in 4n+2 system, suprafacial, antarafacial, suprafacial configuration are photochemically allowed and thermally forbidden. So these are the Woodward-Hoffmann selection rules for the cycloaddition reactions of the 2+2 cycloaddition and 4+2 cycloadditions. Thank you.